Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c:" and simply press enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now type attrib c:/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c:/boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.